from the sky, we are born to be a wild. Right from the sky, we are born crazy. Right from the sky, we are born to be alive.
Same old life starts to get boring. Always working, always straight. Gotta be quick cause I can't be late. Always moving in one direction, searching for this thing called perfection. Can't get lost, gotta be on track. When you move ahead, you can never look back. The time has come when you gotta break free, to make the choice to be wild, to be happy, have fun, and don't let your mind go flat. That's the bottom line and that's where it's at. Grab it, taste it, hold it, make it. Don't think about your chance, just take it. Life is short, no time to be lazy. Get on your feet, it's time to get crazy. Like this, break the rules I know you won't miss. Just be crazy, just be wild, just be free like an innocent child. Show the world you don't give a damn. Don't let society ruin your plans. Don't be afraid to say what you feel. Take a little break, forget what is real. Let the masses go their own way. You go your way, I'll go my way. Let your mind control your movement. Who cares if there's no room for improvement? Jump, shout, dance, scream. Act the way you act in your dreams. Remember this when it all seems hazy. Get on your feet, it's time to get crazy.